What is the first thing you think of when you hear online income? You're probably thinking, who am I to teach? I'm not techie. I have no idea where I'd even start with it and who would buy from me anyway. I don't have time. I hear this all of the time from beauty pros. They think their expertise isn't valuable enough. But this is the truth that I want you to really hear. Your years behind the chair with clients hands on, that is what makes you valuable in the online space. The knowledge that you have, people want to pay for. For example, my client Anna, a permanent makeup artist, she felt the same way. She thought, who would buy from me online? Like, who? And I was like, after creating a simple mini course teaching her brow mapping technique, she now makes an extra $2,000 a month and she's just getting started. She didn't have a tech background, she didn't have a giant audience. She just had the courage to say yes to her next level. And I want that for you too. So join my free Skool community, Online Beauty Boss, today and start creating these income streams for yourself. And if you're serious and you'd like a shortcut, go ahead and book a free consult with me so we can map that out together and see what that would look like. I can't wait to see you on the inside.